Welcome or welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for watching another video. Today's video will be a home vlog. I will be cooking breakfast, after which I will be heading out to Bouclair, and I will be taking you guys along with me to enjoy a nice quiet walk through the store. Then we are going to head back home for some fall decorating, during which time I will show you what I picked up at the store. So let's begin. If you are watching for the first time, hi, welcome. My name is Ketura, and on this channel I bring you ideas to inspire you for your own decorating in your homes. I also do some cleaning motivation and a bit of lifestyle. So I invite you to watch the content, and if by the end of the video you like what you see, then please consider subscribing to the channel and becoming part of the family. So I am just fixing myself a cup of coffee, and then we are going to move on to breakfast.
Lazy sips on a Sunday morn. Steam rises like dreams reborn. Blanket hugs as the moments chime.
Alright guys, so for breakfast I am just preparing some turkey bacon, a couple of eggs, and some cucumber salad. So I hope you enjoy that. And after that we are going to head out to Bouclair. And guys, I just want to let you know that I really want to include this part, like, you know, the store walkthroughs or the shop with me videos. I want to include it more often in our videos. The thing is, and that is especially if you're watching from the States, the thing is, a lot of the stores that you guys have in the States, we in Quebec, in Canada, we don't have them. I think the only ones we have in common are, we have Michael's, we have Walmart, I think there's Marshall's, and we have Home Sense, and for you guys it's Home Goods. So these are the ones that we have in common. Now I personally think, and that's just me, I personally think that these stores have been overdone already, so I really want to bring you content that's fresh. So I really hope that you do enjoy this part of the video, and please leave me a note in the comments to let me know if you would like to see more of these walkthroughs or more of these shop with me's from the stores that are unique to Quebec. You may not be able to run out to any store and buy anything, but at least, you know, it's something fresh, it's something fun. So let me know, guys. Alright guys, so we are back home and I did pick up a few things from the store. But you know what, let's get into the decorating and I will, come in every now and then to let you know what I got from the store. Okay, so let's start. So I'm starting off in the entryway with this canvas from HomeSense. I think that it really captures all the colors that I will be incorporating in the space. And now I'm adding this vintage pedestal bowl, these two extra tall candle holders from HomeSense. And to the candle holders, I am going to be adding these white candles with this gorgeous bronze leaf print. Just in front of the canvas on the other table, I am adding this thrifted book and I am placing this gold leopard statue on it. And guys, I just think that everything came together so nicely. The bronze in the candle, the copper in the pedestal bowl, the moodiness of the painting, the lighting, they just all work in harmony to give off that warm, cozy feel in the entryway. Moving on to the living area, I have added this beautiful orange plaid throw to the couch. The throw has a really warm, fuzzy feel to it, bringing in that extra warmth to the couch. And I just love that pop of fall color. Now to it, I am adding this caramel leather pillow from Amazon and this pumpkin shaped pillow from HomeSense. To the other corner of the sofa, I am adding this burnt orange pillow from Amazon and I also picked up this pillow from Bouclair. I just found that this was just too much texture to leave in the store. So their inserts, their pillow inserts are not droppable. So I just simply changed out the insert for one of mine. And this is how the couch turned out, guys. To one side table, I have removed the lamp and I am adding a floral arrangement. And I picked up these stems from Bouclair. I picked up two of them and I'm going to add them to the floral arrangement. So to the fireplace stand, I have added this thrifted tray, and it is black wooden decorative orbs to it. And on either side of the tray, I am adding these black candle holders that I also picked up from Bouclair. And finally, moving on to the coffee table, I added this floral arrangement inside this metal pumpkin frame, and I placed it on the taller table. And to the lower table, I added this decorative vase, a black ceramic pumpkin, and this unique candle holder from HomeSense. So this is it, guys, for the fall decorating, and I love how everything turned out. We have just enough of the pops of orange to not overwhelm the space, since I'm working with a small space. The apartment looks and feels warm, cozy and inviting, all the vibes that you want to infuse in your home for fall. So guys, we have made it to the end of another video, and I want to thank you for watching. And if you stuck it out with me to the end, I know it was a lot lengthier than the usual, so I thank you a million times over if you stayed right to the end. Remember, guys, to like, comment and share the video, and also subscribe if you have not done so as yet. Take care of yourselves as always, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.